Hey there, in this video, I'm going to share how to use TikTok for beginners. This is the complete beginner's guide to TikTok that will give you the motivation and the tools to show up consistently on TikTok and to grow your brand on TikTok. Now, I'm not going to be talking about how to set up a TikTok account or how to create a TikTok video. There are a ton of other TikTok videos that cover this topic. Instead, I want to share something completely different in this TikTok tutorial, which are the 4 beginner TikTok hacks that I wish I knew when I started my TikTok account. They're so valuable. In fact, these are the exact TikTok hacks that I also share with brands when I'm working with them to help grow their account on TikTok. So if you want to save time and not make the exact same mistakes that I made on TikTok, if you want to grow your account on TikTok and build your brand on TikTok, then keep watching. Welcome back, and if you're new here, I'm Melissa Laurie, and on this channel I create a video each week that helps brands and content creators truly transform their social media and take their brand to the next level. So if you find value in this video, then feel free to subscribe. I'm so excited to share these 4 TikTok beginner hacks with you. Let's start with number 4, with the beginner's guide to TikTok SEO. If you optimize your TikTok videos for search, it means that your TikTok videos will become more discoverable on the TikTok app, and it's going to help you boost your TikTok video views. And the reason why SEO is really important on TikTok is that more and more people are using the TikTok search bar to search for specific videos that they want to watch. So let's say you create a video which is all about healthy foods that you can eat. Someone might search in the TikTok search bar, how to eat healthy. If we take a look at the most popular TikTok videos, what can you notice? They're all using keywords like healthy, healthy eating, eat healthier, eating healthier in their TikTok captions, which is helping to make their videos go viral on TikTok. So the easy way to add SEO to your TikTok videos is to add keywords to your video description, just like these 2 videos have done. And that means when people are searching for these keywords that relate to your video, it's more likely that your video will be shown to these people on TikTok, and it's a great way for you to boost video views on TikTok. Now, I'm going to give you a pro tip here. If you don't know what type of keywords to use to optimize your TikTok videos, then a simple trick is to go into TikTok and search the video topic. And that way you can get different ideas about what type of keywords you should also use in your TikTok video. By adding SEO to your TikTok videos, you are going to be miles ahead of any other TikTok beginner, and it's going to help you grow your brand on TikTok. Number 3, with the beginner's guide to TikTok, are TikTok hashtags. You either love them or you hate them, but whatever the case, TikTok hashtags are really important if you're a beginner on TikTok. And the reason for this is that TikTok hashtags help TikTok categorize your video, and that they will show your video to people that have a similar interest in the content that you're creating. But also, if people are searching using hashtags on TikTok, then it's more likely for your video to appear because you're using that hashtag. In fact, let me give you an example. I created a video which was all about how to add SEO to your TikTok videos, and you can see that one of the hashtags that I used was TikTok SEO. Now, if we search that hashtag in TikTok, so say someone is really interested about TikTok SEO, we can see that my video is also appearing along with all the other top videos that cover this topic. That means that this hashtag is helping my video become more discoverable on TikTok, and it's going to help boost video views on TikTok. I recommend using 3 to 5 hashtags for your TikTok videos. And if you need some ideas with what type of hashtags you should use for your TikTok videos, then a great resource is just to search for your video topic on TikTok and have a look at some of the other hashtags being used by other viral TikTok videos. I'm going to give you a pro tip here. I also have regular hashtags that I use consistently, such as social media and also learn on TikTok. And the reason for this is because I think that these hashtags do a really great job with actually describing what my TikTok account is all about and the type of content that I create, which is all about social media and helping educate people about how they can grow their brand on TikTok. So consider if there's any hashtags that do a great job with describing what your TikTok account is all about. And that's also going to help tell TikTok what your account is all about, and they're more likely to share your videos to people who are interested in the type of content that you're creating on TikTok. So I got a new standing desk and I'm just trying to work out what the perfect height is. I think we're good here. I love it so much. It's so good. On to number 2 with the beginner's guide to TikTok. TikTok mindset. And I think this is one of the most important things about being a beginner on TikTok, having a good mindset. Now, don't skip over this part because it is going to help you so much with staying motivated on TikTok and showing up consistently on TikTok. There's been times where I put in so much effort into a TikTok video like this one. It took me ages to stitch all these different clips together, and I was sharing my journey about leaving my corporate job and the lessons that I learned starting a new business. And I thought it would perform really well, and it got hardly any views. So you are going to ride the highs and the lows of TikTok, whether you're a beginner or whether you've been on TikTok for some time now. And what's going to help you be successful on TikTok is having a good mindset. So let me give you a pro tip here. The mindset that I have on TikTok is being curious on TikTok. So when I go onto the TikTok app, I'm looking for different ideas. I'm thinking about ways that I can present my content in a different way, just like this. By being open to learning, I was able to think about how I could present this type of content and use post-its. And this video performed really well, and I had great feedback in the comments that people were able to understand what I was saying really clearly, and it made a lot of sense. So the key takeaway here is don't be down on yourself if a video doesn't perform well. Have a curious mindset on TikTok, and that is going to help you be really open to learning about different ideas so that you can stand out on TikTok and you can grow your account really fast. I'm a little bit tired from standing, so I'm just going to lower this down and get ready for number 1. And if you are enjoying this video and you're finding a lot of value, feel free to subscribe and you can get more content just like this. Number 1 with the beginner's guide to TikTok. TikTok call to actions. TikTok call to actions are so important, so please make sure you're listening to this part. A call to action on TikTok means someone has taken action on your TikTok video. And the call to actions on TikTok can either be a like, a comment, a follow, a share, or a save. And when someone takes one of these actions on your TikTok video, it sends a message to the TikTok algorithm that your video is worth sharing to more and more people on TikTok, and it's going to help you boost your video views on TikTok. For every TikTok video, include a call to action. When I was a beginner on TikTok, I didn't think call to actions were really that important. And if I could go back in time, I would have taken call to actions really seriously and added to every single video so that I could get more engagement on my videos, and it would have helped me grow a community a lot faster on TikTok. You could add a call to action at the end of your TikTok video, something like follow for more tips like this. And that is going to communicate to the viewer that if they follow you, then they will see more valuable content like this. Can you see why this is really beneficial? But what type of call to actions can you add to your TikTok video? Well, because you're still with me, I want to give you a bonus. You can see call to actions on the screen that are really great to encourage people to either save or share your TikTok video. Or you can encourage people to either like, comment, or follow you on TikTok. Now feel free to refer back to this video and you can use these TikTok call to actions to help grow your account on TikTok and encourage people to engage with your TikTok videos. Yay! You now know the 4 beginner TikTok hacks to grow your account on TikTok, which include TikTok SEO, TikTok hashtags, TikTok mindset, TikTok call to actions. Thanks for sticking with me until the end. If you found this content valuable, feel free to subscribe and I'll see you next time.